Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today's student learning outcomes are operator precedence, arithmetic expression, relational expression, compound or logical expression. Operator precedence. Order of precedence of operator describe the rules according to which operation are to be performed in the expression. The order of precedence is similar to that used in algebraic formulas like Bodmer's rule. In the given table, the operator that has the highest precedence is written at the top and the one with the lowest precedence is written at the bottom. The precedence of operator determines which operator is executed first if there is more than one operator in an expression. You can see the table on the screen of operator precedence. First priority of increment and decrement operators, then multiplication, division and remainder operators, then addition and subtraction, at fourth relation operators, at fifth equal to or not equal to relation operators, number 6 logical not, logical and, logical or, and at last assignment operators like steric equal to. Expressions in C++. An expression is a combination of constant variables and operators. Constant and variables are operands and operators tell the computer what type of action to perform on the operands. There are three types of expression in C++. These are arithmetic, relational, and compound or logical expression. Arithmetic expression. An expression that contains constant variables and arithmetic operator is called arithmetic expression. For example, in the expression a plus 2 multiplied by b, a, b and 2 are operands and plus and steric or multiplication are arithmetic operators. When this expression is evaluated, the value stored in variable a and b are substituted and the result produces another value. The following are some more examples of arithmetic expression. 5 multiplied by bracket a minus b, bracket a plus b divided by bracket a minus b plus a steric b for multiplication. 3 multiplied by a plus a minus b plus b plus c divided by 2. Relational expressions. An expression that contains the relation operator to compare values of same type is called relation expression. Relation expressions are used in programming to create conditions based on which computer takes different paths during program execution. Examples of relation expressions are ch greater than equal to capital A, ch less than equal to small z, a greater than b, a equal to b, or a not equal to b. Logical expressions. An expression that combines two or more conditions using logical operators and or is called compound expression. The following is an example of compound expression. Ch greater than equal to small a and ch less than equal to small c and or ch greater than equal to capital A and ch less than equal to capital Z. The first compound condition ch greater than equal to small a and ch less than equal to small b checks whether the character stored in a variable ch is a lowercase or not, and the second compound condition checks whether it is an uppercase or not. In this case, if one of the two compound condition is true, whether it is a lowercase or whether it is a uppercase, the compound expression will be true because the two compound conditions are combined with an OR operator. Okay dear student, that is the end of today's lecture. Now it's your turn. Challenge yourself. You can see few questions on the screen which are based on today's lecture. Kindly solve them. Thank you.